Music is a thing that you have to interact with, and we all live really busy lives. And so my one suggestion, my one PSA is to keep your instruments out. I'm lucky enough that my piano is right here, so while the tea is cooling down, I could practice my fingering. Keep your instruments out and about if you can. You bought your accordion, it came in a little suitcase. Put that suitcase away. That's for transportation. Please don't keep your instruments locked away. My keyboard, even my digital instruments are always on. My microphone is always on. My loop pedal's there. So that I can make music. Everything should be ready. Everything should be at your fingertips so that musical expression can happen in little bits. Again, maybe you don't have 5 minutes to practice, but while the tea is cooling down, while you have 30 seconds or 45 seconds, reach for your instrument and play it.